ሰላም ጋይስ እንግዲህ 1000 ህፃናትን ለማሳከም ነው ወደዚህ የመጣ ነው። እነዚህ 1000 ልጆችን ሰፖርት ማድረግ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ የኛ ቡዝ እንግዲህ 78 ነው። እንደምትመለከቱት የደግነት እጆች ለ1000 ህፃናት በጋራ በመሆን በልብ ህመም ለሚሰቃዩ ህፃናት እንድረስላቸው። yes ማሳካት እንችላለን። በጣም ነው የሚያምረው ቦታ። ነገ እስከምመጣ ጓጉቻለሁ በጣም። thank you ዋ ايش تعال لك زياد يا اطعم النشيو من فينيكم هاي كم يلا كم غلط عليك ايش عندي بس ليش جنانش መቼ ነው የምትመጣው? እሺ ችግር ከተገናኘን ችግር የለውም። ብሬን ወሽ እናደርጋለን። አይነ ደህና ነሽ እናቴ? ደህና ነሽ? አይዶን እንዴት ነሽ? አለ ቡና እያፈላችሁ ነው እዚህ? ምንድን ነው ያላችሁ? አረ ሳምቡሳ ሳላችሁ? ሳምቡሳ ልቅመሳ ሳምቡሳ ልቅመስ። ቴንክ ዩ። ምንድነው የሚባለው? የሸዋ ጌጥ የኢትዮጵያ ኩሽና በጣም ደስ ይላል። ማርያምን መቼ አረ ቴንክ ዩ ናቴ አመሰግናለሁ። እሺ ቴንክ ዩ እመለሳለሁ ለክትፎ ዛም ቤቴ። እሺ ኋላ ያ ጎ Wait, oh! Dude! How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Dude!
Bro, I've been looking for you everywhere!
After 2 years...
Where have you been?
I'm here, man.
Where have you been?
I'm here.
You're here?
Yes.
Bro!
My guy, Sa'atu
Sa'atu
Messiah, my brother. Yeah, I'm gonna come out for you, man. How you doing, bro?
Of course, man.
My brother. Yo, finally, bro.
Yeah, man.
Finally, man.
Yo, man.
After all this... years, contents.
Yo, guys, we're live streaming. Tell them what's up.
Are you streaming right now?
They've been begging for you, man.
Damn, okay.
He's here.
I'm here. We finally met up, man.
Let's tell them for the one time.
Okay, what do we... Yeah.
Yellow. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sa'atu Darasa. Yes, sir. My boy. See, this is our booth. This is our booth, by the way.
Beautiful booth.
So, were you here?
Yeah, we did.
Really? Yeah, we're trying to help 1,000 kids this time, so... Yes, are we live streaming now? Come closer. Yes, so look at this, man. We're trying to help 1,000 kids, fundraise for 1,000 kids. So if you're here in Minnesota and you're coming to Estefana, make sure you come to booth 78. We're waiting for you. Thank you so much. Messiah,
Man, how you
my
been,
brother.
Man, I told you I was going to get you Vangatin
Man, we did it, bro. Alena.
You enjoying it?
We're gonna have fun. I'm gonna text you. I was thinking to text you. Live ምናምን እየገባው ነበር ለዛ ነው. I was busy. But now we're gonna go to the concerts ምናምን, man.
You going?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna DM you.
ቃል ገባ ከልጅ ጋር ካላያችሁኝ
I'm gonna DM you, brother. Love you, bro.
We're here. We're just
Yeah.
gonna go around and see the festival.
Okay. Enjoy. My brother. Good to see you, okay? Yeah. I'll see you tonight if you're going to the concert.
Tonight, we're let's get some stuff planned for a video or something.
Yeah.
Cause bro, like you don't understand. I've been looking for you for so long.
Yeah.
Like I'm trying to go big with this stuff, bro. All
Yeah.
this dancing, I'm starting to be like you, man. And I really want to whenever I come to Ethiopia next year, I want to do exactly what you're doing. I want to help promote. Like this is my dream. Like ever since I was a young kid, I've been doing dances.
Yeah.
I've wanted to make content, and bro, like I feel like you're my chance, bro. So if you give me a chance, bro, like
Don't worry. I saw you a long time ago, man. I know you have a pure heart. Just keep doing what you're doing.
100%.
You'll make it, man. Your own way. You got it.
so much.
Yeah, love you, bro. Yes, sir. My bro. Yo, how you doing, man? Andinish, Dananish. Yes, I know this guy, man. He has a bullet legs. Crazy, man. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, brother. The sun, yeah.
Thank you, Aaron.
Amazing. Pleasure to meet you, Sahabi. Thank you. All right.
Thank you, bro.
እሺ አንድ እንዴት ነህ? How you doing?
Good.
ደህና ነህ?
አለሁ።
አለን። እሺ Boom.
Thank you so
Amazing.
much.
እሺ እየጠበቁ ነው እየጠበቃችሁ ነው እሺ ይሄና hi how you doing come amazing ጥሩ amazing እሺ ንሽ አይዞህ አዳነ እንዴት ነሽ ደህና ነሽ አለ ማንም ያነሳል amazing አለና እንዴት ነሽ ደህና ነሽ ሁሉም አሪፍ እናቴ እሺ ካም ነይ ሄኒት አለ ገባ ተልበል እሺ አሜዚንግ ሃቭ አ ጉድ ዋን እሺ እናቴ እሺ አንዴ እንትና አይ አይዶ እንዴት ነሽ ደህና ነህ this is beautiful amazing huh እስኪ እኔ አባ thank you so much አሜን እኔም እወዳለሁ አባቴ thank you አመሰግናለሁ በጣም ታምራለች ያንጸባርቃል ደግሞ 41 ቡዝ 41 thank you አመሰግናለሁ ከኢትዮጵያ ናቸው
ከኢትዮጵያ
አውተንቲክ በጣም ደስ ይላል ጎበዝ you talented man this is beautiful thank you so much see አመሰግናለሁ አባቴ thank you wow Ooh.